The first and most common cause is the battery. If your battery has insufficient charge or is completely drained, it won't have enough power for the starter to turn the engine over. A good way to tell if the battery is causing a no start condition is when hearing multiple clicks and seeing the cluster lights flicker or dim when attempting to turn on the car. You can try jump starting your vehicle to see if it will help temporarily. Also, make sure to check for corrosion on the battery connectors, as corrosion will prevent the flow of electricity. The second possible cause is relays and fuses. If any fuses related to the starting system are blown, it may